Assembling a cake with multiple layers may seem like a daunting task, but it's not. I'm going to show you exactly how to stack a cake like a pro using lemon cake, lemon curd, and meringue. First thing I'm going to do is take my meringue out of the mixing bowl and put it into a piping bag. And I have to decide what piping tip I'm going to use. I like a very simple tip, so I'm going to do the round tip. Okay, we push it down, we see. Now, let's cut the tip. Then I have my spatula. And my hand actually serves to scrape off what's on the spatula. All right, now you roll this up. Okay. We have our meringue in the piping bag. So we have our cakes. You can take some off the top. I don't mind. I'm just going to flip it down right in the center of my stand. First thing you do is add a layer of the lemon curd. I don't need to take it all the way to the edge because when I put on the top layer, it's going to ooze a little bit. Then we take the top layer, place it on top. It's okay if it runs out a little bit. And the next thing we do is to take our meringue. We're gonna pipe little round loops, swirls, dollops. This is such a simple technique. As I'm doing this, my non-dominant hand is holding the bag tight, and then my dominant hand is actually guiding it and pressing. And then we're gonna fill in the center with the curd. So y'all, I have so much meringue left. How about we go higher? Let's go higher! So we really create what looks like a dam. All right, so here's our cake, and it's okay if it's not perfect. Look at this, oozing goodness of that curd. I have one more thing to do. You know in the lemon meringue, it has the toasted meringue. Here we go, folks. Now, I love the toasted taste of meringue. It adds a little char and flavor. There's flavor in the brown, y'all, but you don't have to burn it. Oh, here is a Sur La tip time. If you have any bubbles in your curd, go back and do like this. It just gets rid of them. It gets rid of all bubbles. So look at this. It's so easy, but it looks like it's time for the festivities to begin. And that's it. Piece of cake, literally. What are you waiting for? Get to it. Thank you for watching.